Thank you for choosing our portable heater for your indoor use. In this video, we'll show you how to start your heater. First, connect your device to the butane gas cylinder and ensure that the connection is airtight, the cylinder is fully open, and the regulator is properly primed. Once these checks are complete, turn the control knob to the ignition position and hold the button down for 10 to 15 seconds, allowing time for the gas to reach the appliance. Press the piezo while holding down the control button. When the pilot light is lit and steady, continue to hold the control button. Release it after 10 to 15 seconds. If the pilot light goes out, repeat the process. To switch between different heat settings, lightly press the control button and turn the knob to the desired position. Please note that this is an intermediate position between high and low, so do not force the knob to avoid damaging it. During the initial ignition or when changing the butane gas cylinder, if your pilot flame briefly lights and goes out or seems to be blown out, the issue may stem from the butane gas cylinder. To resolve this issue, contact the customer service of your gas cylinder brand or our customer service. To shut off your device, return it to the starting position and then close the valve on the gas cylinder. You now know how to start and stop your portable heater. For any questions, please contact our customer service at 01924 509 808.